We've been showcasing some super special moms in our community. You met Lisa Freeman, Andrea Dove.
That's right, all of them amazing mothers. Now, just a few days before Mother's Day, we have our final Thank You Mom story. WJCL's Ashley Otis joins us live. Ashley, tell us about this special mom.
Chris and Nicole, good morning. So we're out here at Alpha Media, who we've been partnering with all week long to talk about these special moms and their stories. And the time has finally come. And as we've said, you know, this is a big secret to them. They only really find out when they show up on TV. They don't know it's coming. But the time has finally come for our final mom. And we're going to tell you who it is because it's actually Miss Stacy Scott.
Shut up.
Let's take it.
Anything and everything for her kids.
This working mom does it all.
Whenever I'm at work, she pretty much has the whole show, and she's a trooper.
Not only is she a mom to a 4-year-old and 2 stepdaughters, she's also the co-host of one of Savannah's most popular radio stations.
Savannah's new #1 for all the hits, Y100, a morning mess with Stacy and TC.
Yep, we're talking about Alpha Media's very own Stacy Scott.
Stacy. Unfiltered and spunky.
To say the least, she's been married to her husband Brian for 2 years.
The thing about us is we've been through a lot, and we've been through our share of rough times. We've pulled through somehow. We always do.
And to her work husband for a few months.
You can tell that she comes from a good place as well, and so she is just a wonderful person to work with, and I can tell a great mom and wife.
Stacy's passion is radio. Throw in a family of 5 and it's a balancing act. But in true Stacy fashion, she makes it work.
She wakes up at 3:30 in the morning. When she's done with the radio show, then she becomes mom and she becomes wife, and so her day doesn't end until about between 9 and 10 p.m. at nighttime.
And it's not getting easier anytime soon.
We're excited to put another addition to the family.
She has a baby on the way, due in October.
I can't tell her enough how much I appreciate her. I know I don't tell her enough, but you know, I love her very much for everything she does, and things wouldn't be the same without her. Just want to wish her a happy Mother's Day. One of many more. We get some more practice because we have another one on the way.
So with the pitter-patter of little feet, she'll get a little bit busier and a lot happier.
Stacy, happy Mother's Day to you, and all I want to say is that you are very lucky, very blessed to have your husband Brian, your kids, little baby on the way, and I'm just so happy that you get to have this time with your family on this special day.
All right, guys, you just saw it live. These are real emotions. We're gonna give her a second. There they are. Look at how good. We were joking with her all week long that she wasn't gonna be on, and she was mad at TC, mad at her husband that no one sent in a picture of her, but you just saw it live, Stace. What'd you think?
Now I feel horrible. Like, oh, I can't believe that just happened. I'm like in a mess right now. Oh, I love my family. I'm so happy. That was the coolest thing ever.
Good Mother's Day gift.
I was like tearing up watching it and watching Brian and just the love that he has for her, and just she is just a special person. She's so special to her family, and they come first. She deserves it. She really does.
I know. I wrote it and edited it and did all the interviews, and I was tearing up. So we just want to say Happy Mother's Day to you. With a baby on the way, we're all excited, and we can't wait to meet him.
Thank you so much. I can't believe you did that. Now I feel horrible. I love you.
All right, guys, you saw it here live for now. Ashley Otis live at Alpha Media.